action, we're just going to put our hands in our front like this, and then we're going to shake it like this. Shake, 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 and shake. And that is our intro. So, for our chorus, Teacher Juliana will teach us.
Okay po, tayo po muna po ay dadako po sa ating pong chorus. So first, we will lift our right hand while kicking our left feet, and then we will do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will swipe our left hand into half circular motion, and then we will swipe our right hand into half circular motion. And then we will do again our lifting our hands 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we will cross our feet first to the right, next to the left, and then we will do a big wave. And then we will do a movement po like this. Forward and backward. And then next we will do a cross. First to the left, next to the right, and we will tap our chest 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And next, for our second chorus po, we will do a movement like an angel, like this po. And then we will cross our feet also. First to the right, next to the left, and then kick and open and jiggle. And then next, Teacher Leonard.
So, for our first one, we're just going to wave our hands like this. Waves, waves, and to the other side, waves and waves. And then after that, parang pupunasan lamang po natin ang aming mga pawis na ganito. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, raise our right hand and the left hand. And then, form a big heart. Okay, and then spread it 4 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, we're going to do the tap your shoe move. Paano ba yun, teacher? Pag ganito po. Tap your shoe, and then jump while posting mid-air. Pose! Okay, that's our verse 1. So, for our verse 2, uulitin lamang po natin ang ating verse 1. But, the tap your shoe move, papalitan po natin na para nagdadrive po tayo ng bus together with our partner. So, iikot po tayo na parang ganito. Yan! Na parang ganun po. So, that's our verse 2. And for our outro naman po, iisip lamang po tayo ng kahit anong pose. And then, stretch out our arms. And then, shake it na parang kanina po sa intro. So, yan po ang ating fourth song. Now, let's try it with music. Okay, shake our hands. Shake, shake. Chorus. Hip. Balik po sa chorus. Yan, very good teacher. Now, partner. And clap our wings. Chicken. Now wings. Right hand, left hand, and big heart. Not your shoe, and pose. Hey, balik po sa chorus. Swipe, swipe, and jump. Partner po again. And slide. Verse 2. Waves. Big heart.